Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will show you how to make gaming shorts in Premiere Pro. To save your time I have made a summary in start of a video. You can skip the video and check that summary to have a quick tutorial. Thanks. First you have to import your video in timeline of Premiere Pro. Then you have to change the sequence settings as shown in video. After changing these settings in sequence, just press OK and we will work on our clip. So this is the clip I want. I already cropped it. And now I will make it duplicate. So I will press Alt and drag the selected clip. Then I will place this clip over the original one, and I have to apply a Gaussian blur effect on it. Simple Gaussian blur effect. You don't need to have any plugins for this effect. Now just use these settings of scale and use this on middle clip like on original clip, and then at the end you need to change the blur settings in Gaussian blur section. At the end you just need to export this settings as shown in video. Now we will move towards the second video. I already have desired clips from my video, so just nest them all and apply the same effect. We will just increase its scale to 178 almost. And then we will apply a filter on it. We will apply an adjustment layer, and then we will apply a magic bullet filter as shown in video. And this filter comes from RG Magic Bullet plugin. Link of plugin is in description. We will apply these settings. Just copy these settings as shown in video. And at the end we just need to add these markers. If you want to export specific clip, just go in the start of clip, press I, and at the end press O, and then export it. In second video I have placed a webcam. To do that you just need to clip over the short videos. And make it with pen tool with like this, and then I also applied an filter on this adjustment layer, and the preset of this filter is in description. Finally, this funny edit I made. There is just one difference in this. You just need to take the green screen meme video, the link is in description, and just apply Ultra key on it and select the color as shown in video from dropper tool of the video, and the background will be removed automatically. The rest process is as same. To make the last part still, we just need to crop that part and make the speed 0%. Hope you like my video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks. Have a nice day.